Dear students, today we will discuss about the equation of sphere through a given circle. The system of sphere through a given circle. Let given circle be represented by the equation s equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2y plus 2wz plus t equal to 0 and another p equal to lx plus my plus nz plus p equal to 0. Then s plus lambda p equal to 0 represent a surface passing through the common points of s equal to 0 and p equal to 0. So now come to the question. Find the equation of the sphere through the circle x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 5. And the point is 1, 2, 3. So according to standard condition, we will write here s equal to x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. Left hand side it will be negative, minus 9 equal to 0. And p equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. S and p, two equations. Then any sphere passing through the given circle 1 and 2 each, s plus lambda p equal to 0. According to standard equation, s plus lambda p equal to 0. Now we will put value of s and p in this. So s will be replaced by x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus lambda, and this p equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Now it is passes through 1, 2, 3. This equation passes through 1, 2, 3. So x replaced by 1, y by 2 and z by 3. So put in equation third, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. It will be x 1 square 1, y equal to 2, 2 square 4, z equal to 3, 3 square 9, minus 9 as it is, plus lambda 2x, x replaced by 1, so 2 into 1, 2, plus 3 into y replaced by 2, 3 into 2, 6, plus 4z, z replaced by 3, 4 into 3, 12, minus 5 as it is equal to 0. Now simplify, 9 to 9 cancel, 4 plus 1, 5, from here 6 plus 2, 8 or 12, 20, 20 minus 5, it will be 15, lambda equal to 0. Or lambda equal to minus 5 upon 15 and 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So lambda equal to minus 1 upon 3. Now lambda equal to minus 1 upon 3, put in equation 3. So equation 3, x square plus y square plus z square minus 9, value of this you will put, so here minus 9 will be written, minus lambda replaced by minus 1 upon 3. Now 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0 as it is. Now you will simplify it. 3 will be multiplied in this. So 3 in bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 as it is, minus this sign will be changed. You will remove this bracket, minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z and minus minus plus 5 equal to 0. So it will be equation of sphere which is passes through the circle and the point. Now come to the second question. Find the equation of sphere for which the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 8 is a great circle. Here you have to say so that it is a great circle. Now according to condition, s equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 2z plus 2 equal to 0. It will be your first equation. And p equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 8 equal to 0, second equation. Now the equation of any sphere through the given circle is s plus lambda p equal to 0 according to standard rule. So s will be replaced by equation first and p by second. So you will get x square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 2z plus 2 plus lambda, and it is the value of p. Now simplify it. X square plus y square plus z square as it is. You will multiply here lambda into x. So it will be 2 lambda x as it is. From here value of y is 7, and from here when lambda will be multiplying y, it will be 3 lambda. So coefficient of y is 7 plus 3 lambda. Plus now here from here coefficient of z is minus 2 as it is, and lambda will be multiplying z 4 lambda. So it is 4 lambda coefficient of z plus this 2 as it is, and lambda will be multiplied minus 8. So 2 minus 8 lambda equal to 0. It is your equation third. Now it is standard equation of sphere. or we will find center of this sphere. Or you know standard equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So you will compare it with standard equation. On comparing 2u, coefficient of x is 2u equal to 2 lambda or u equal to lambda, and coefficient of y, that will be 2v. 2v equal to 7 plus 3 lambda or v equal to 7 plus 3 lambda upon 2. On comparing coefficient of z, that is 2w equal to minus 2 plus 4 lambda, or from here w equal to minus 1 plus 2 lambda. So these are the value of u, v, w. Now center of sphere, or you know coordinate for center of sphere, minus u, minus v, minus w. Now put the value of u, v, w. You will get coordinate of center of sphere minus lambda, minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 7 plus 3 lambda and 1 minus 2 lambda. This is the coordinate of center of sphere. If the given circle is great circle, of sphere 3, then center of sphere of equation 3 will lie on the plane. If it is great circle, then center of sphere will lie on the plane. Or plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 8. So you will put value of x, y, z from here. That is the coordinate of center of a sphere. So from here x will be replaced by minus lambda, y by minus 1 upon 2, 7 plus 3 lambda, and z will be replaced by 1 minus 2 lambda. So you will simplify 2 into this, minus 4 lambda. When you will take LCM of this, 2 will be multiplied here and 2 in this, or then 2 will be multiplying right hand side 8. So it is minus 4 lambda, minus 3 into 7, 21, minus 3 into 3 lambda, that will be minus 9 lambda, plus you will multiply 2 into 4, 4, 8, 8 into 1, 8, minus 16 lambda equal to, after taking LCM, these 2 will be multiplying 8 also right hand side, that is 16. Now you can simplify, or after simplification you will get minus 29 lambda equal to 16 plus 13, it means 29, or lambda equal to minus 29 upon 29, 29 to 29 cancel, lambda equal to minus 1. Now lambda equal to minus 1, put in equation third. Third equation is this, lambda will be replaced by minus 1, x square plus y square plus z square as it is, lambda replaced by minus 1, it will be minus 2x, from y you will get 4y, from z minus 6z plus 10 equal to 0. So it will be equation of sphere, that will be right circle. Thank you.